Hi, I'm Taylor. I'm a second-year MLA student at the University of Oregon. I'm currently making bagels. So my background prior to the program was a studio arts background. My favorite aspect about studying landscape architecture in Eugene is that Eugene is really centralized location. It's an hour from the coast, an hour from the mountains. 2 hours from Portland. My favorite outdoor spot in Eugene would have to be Mount Pisgah, which is only 15 minutes from the heart of town. It's an oak savanna natural area. And this time of year, the native wildflowers are going crazy. And in about 2 weeks, it'll be prime time for a beautiful Oregon wildflower walk, which I always look forward to every year here. All right. Next batch. While I'm waiting for my bagels to bake, I could talk a little bit about a project that I did last term. We were asked to design the summit of Mount Pisgah, and like I mentioned, it's an oak savanna natural area, and that was historically maintained through prescribed burning, which we don't do anymore. Getting people more educated about the process of prescribed burning is going to be pretty critical in saving those kind of endangered habitats. That is what I did in my design. Is I created these burn rings, these ceremonial burn rings, which are intended to educate the public so that they can see what happens after a prescribed burn, how the vegetation comes back over time, and keep revisiting and seeing how it changes. In these small little kind of test plots of prescribed burning at the summit, which could also be used for experimental planting for restoration purposes. Yeah, the goal for that was to just get people involved in the community, involved in understanding why we need prescribed burns. And what I learned from the project is, well, there's a lot of community involvement in the project because it is such a special place to people here. And that was really cool to see people really invested in what we were doing. And that's what I really hope to be able to do with my projects leaving the program, work in the public sector. It's very satisfying. And now let's check on these bagels. Oh yeah. I'm going to spray them a little bit with water to develop a crispier crust. All right, moment of truth. Let's see how they turned out. Some cheese on it.